Hello everyone, welcome back to our e-commerce website development course. So this is the second part, okay? And in this video, I'm going to show you how we can set up the Cloudways. Cloudways is a hosting provider and they provide the managed cloud hosting. They have a lot of plans like you can create an auto scaling server, you can have the fixed plan, you can have a multiple plans. So I'm going to show you a step by step and let's set up the hosting for our e-commerce website. This is the first step to create the e-commerce website. Okay, so I'm gonna just click on the sign up page. Okay, so start free and you need to sign up with Cloudways. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the sign up page. You need to fill the first name, last name, email, password, and so let me just fill this email. I'm gonna just put that email like this. The password I'm gonna just use here, and I would best describe myself as a freelancer or developer or monthly hosting spending around 0 to 50 USD like this, and I agree, and let's click on the start free. So once you click on this, you will redirect to your dashboard. So I already have that Cloudways hosting plan. So I'm going to go to the login page and let's click on the login. So as you can see here, that's the dashboard of Cloudways. Okay. And in the left side, you'll find the Cloudways Flexible and Cloudways Autonomous. So we have two things in the Cloudways. We need to see the both plans here. So what is the use of both plan and what's the difference between? So let's focus on the Cloudways Autonomous first. So what that server do? Let's click on this. As you can see here, this server is autonomous. It means this server has some advanced feature that can maximize the user capacity automatically. Suppose you have an e-commerce website, right? And once you create a website and sometimes you launch the offer like Black Friday or Saturday or Sunday or holiday, any holiday. So your visitors will increase your website. That time, that server, that autonomous server automatically increase the capacity of visitors. So that's why we use that autonomous server. Okay, so I'm gonna do one thing here. As you can see here, this is the plan they have. Let's click on the choose plan. They have a plan 1, plan 2, plan 3 and a lot more. And as you can see here, using this first plan, we need to pay $35 a month, one application, 15 GB disk space and 30,000 visits and 10 and 100 GB bandwidth. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one and let's click on get started. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on the confirm plan like this. And let's start this. Now, as you can see here, let's launch the website here. So name of your application. So I'm going to show you the coding bus shop and select regions. I'm going to use the London, UK, and I'm going to use the WooCommerce. Okay. So what is WooCommerce? WooCommerce is something whenever you create an e-commerce website, then you need a WooCommerce plugin in your WordPress website. So I'm going to just click on add application here. Finally, our application just created. Now let me just open that website here like this. And I'm going to just click on that URL. And as you can see here, our server is created and your website is just created. Fantastic. And now we have the checkout card and all the pages. Now you just need to install your theme and all the things and just complete your website. So that's the one way to set up your hosting in the Cloudways. Now I'm going to show you the another way to set up your hosting in the Cloudways. So I'm going to show you the Cloudways Flexible. So here I'm going to create the server and we'll launch the application also here. So let's see. So click on the my server option here. And as you can see here, the add server option here. So let's click on the add server and you'll see the application and server details. So I'm going to just select the application. So I'm going to use the WordPress here and the application name, I'm going to just put the TCB shopping. Server name is like TCB server new. Okay, like this, TCB shopping website new. And then project is like your project. So as you can see here, we have the 5 options to select server. So you can select the Google here, you can select the Amazon, AWS also, DigitalOcean and Volta and the Linode. So all these are amazing, but the best is here DigitalOcean. Now just select the location. So I'm going to use here the Bangalore and just click on the launch now. Okay. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to launch your overall server. Now, as you can see here, our new server is launched, TCB server new. Now, what we need to do here, we just created a server. Now we need to add application. So let's go to the application. But you see here, TCB shopping new is already created. It means whenever you create a server, that server automatically create one application for you. So as you can see here, this is already created. If you want to create another application, so you just need to click on add application. Click on select server. So I'm going to use the TCB server new. Click on add application And here you can select the application, like WordPress, multiverse on WooCommerce, PHP, Laravel, or Magento. We are using the WordPress and our server already have installed that WordPress. I'm not gonna install this again. Okay, so now let's go to the server and let's go to the application, and just this is, as you can see, a TCB shopping new. Now let's open this. Now as you can see, there are a lot of options. Okay, now I'm gonna just show you our website URL. So application URL, just click on this. Now as you can see, this is our website. Amazing. Now we have completed our hosting setup, and now we need to start the website development process. In the next video, we will see how we can buy the domain and how we can start website development.